Hey everyone, it's Adventure Link here. How's it going? Well, it's Friday again, so we got some drone adventures. But this thing don't want to cooperate today. Oh well, I'll make it cooperate. Because that's what we do here. Make things cooperate. Got it. There we go. That just takes it a moment. It tipped over. It happens. So, let's try this again, shall we? Let me make this thing come back his way. Come on. Come on. Perfect landing, perfect landing. Screw it. Alright, take three, somewhere else. Take three and not in the shooty hoop section. Oh, well, I'll make it go high. Come down. See if I can make it come back home here. Out of the shooty hoop section and out of the baseball section too, for that matter. Sweet, I got it home. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I know I at least got it over the baseball section and out of the shooty hoops, that's for sure. Thank goodness. Ah yes, the mortal enemy of content creators, glare. Hey, I can make it spin. Spinners. Honestly, I need more places to fly drones. Hopefully, if we can have somewhere that's just as big as Gill Lynn Park and without all the trees and all that, that would be great. I prefer that. Drone selfies. Yay, drone selfies. If only I had the app and another phone. Oh well. Too bad. I'm not really an ace pilot, but I at least freed it out of all the sports ball sections, so give me that much credit. Quadcopters are fun! I'm not an ace pilot by any means. Well, I got the wind fighting me. About 90 degrees with some wind out today at the time this video was filmed, of course. Alright, they're all starting to play sports ball over here too, so I better take the quadcopter, or the drone, or whatever you want to call it, out of all the sports ball stuff. Oh, I just kicked the sports ball by mistake, trying to pay attention to this thing, getting it in the camera. Oops. Oh well, at least I didn't trip. That's a good thing, we didn't trip. Really? Oh well. Honestly. I'll try and bring it back home again if I can. Nope. Try again. Try again. Try again. All right. Good. I got it out of the baseball section. Now, if I can get away from all the sports ball, again, that would be awesome. Let's see. There we go. It's going up in the air again. Oh well, at least if it does get locked in this baseball section, I've got an open access, so that's a good thing. It's always a good thing. Now, if we cannot make it go on the roof of Lincoln Elementary again, like with the model rocket, that would be great. Yeah, build a model rocket in shop class, freshman year, making model rockets. Somehow my rocket ended up on the top of Lincoln Elementary's roof. Hey, drone selfies again. Yeah. Oh well, I'll see if I can't make it go into the end of the baseball section. I tried to get it away from all the sports ball, but if I can get into the baseball field, that would be great. Can I get it into the baseball field without it taking off on me again? Okay, that's not what I had in mind about going to the baseball field. Honestly. Oh, sweet, it hit the fence. That's an easy recovery. I got it, buddy. Yeah, I'm taller than you. Yeah, spoiler alert, content creator's like 5'11". I can get it easy. I got this. In fact, I'll film the recovery. Sweet. Claimed. Let's see how much footage I got. 7 minutes. Cool. Go into the... Try to see if I can't make this thing take it into the baseball section for a few minutes. See how this goes. And as another spoiler alert, at the time this video was filmed, this content creator weighed almost 300 pounds. Yeah, I'm fat. I'm too fat. I need exercise. There we go. Put it in the baseball section. That'll be better. Now, will this thing cooperate? I guess not. Will I make it cooperate? Yes, I will. Oh, it flipped over. Sweet. Sweet. And extra bonus points for anyone that gets the Shooty Hoops reference. Every time I say Shooty Hoops on the channel. That's no good. That's even worse. It's up in the air. Come down to me. Good. All right, careful, careful. Good, good. Just needs a little kick in the pants, if you will. Never mind about that, it's done. Oh well. Well, that's it for this drone adventure at the Gill Lynn Park and into the Shooty Hoops and all the sports ball stuff. By accident, sort of. Yeah. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe. Please share with your friends and all that. Donate to my medical bills. Links are in the video description. Any amount helps out. And as Game for the Grave would say, it helps to keep this channel and myself alive and undead. This has been Adventure Link. Want to say thanks again for watching. Thanks again for supporting my channel. And as Eric the Car Guy would say, be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. And don't forget to play with your toys when he says that in the tool reviews. Yeah! Alright, see y'all next time. Have a nice day.